Mate, I'm excited. I just opened my emails and on there was an email from KFC saying they've got a new app exclusive, a $4.95 fill-up box. I gotta go and get this bad boy because I'm fanging for some KFC, I tell ya. Let's go get it and suss out what we get in this $4.95 fill-up box. Let's go. Well, I've just arrived at KFC and I was going through my order and they've got an upsize option here. And that's $6.55. And I had a look and all you're getting is a large chips instead of a small chips. So I think I'll go the regular still and see what we get in the regular fill-up box. Ooh, yeah, had to order, baby. Well, here it is. Let's see what we get inside this one. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yes. Oh, mate, I'm gagging for this. Right, well, we got some plastic stuff. Oh, here we go. Some delicious KFC chips. Oh, yeah, I love those things. Oh, we got a potato and gravy. That's right. That's awesome. I love those. Oh, a crappy roll. Oh, those are gross, but I still love it. Oh, is this a chicken tender? I love those things. Oh, look at this. Oh, I got a massive piece of chook here. I love this stuff. Oh, wow. Look at that, folks. $4.95. Yes. Yes! What should I start with? Maybe some chips. Let's see how salty these bad boys are. I hope they've got extra seasoning on them. I love the seasoning. That's good. But I don't want to eat them all too fast because I want to dip some in the potato and gravy. A double carb overload. You know that's right. Take a look at this chicken tender. Oh, yeah. I love these things. Oh. 11 secret herbs and spices. Oh, mate, I love that stuff. I need 100 more of these, thanks. Oh, man. I'm going to save that because I really want to just bite into this bad boy right here. Look at all that coating on it. Oh, yes, yes. I wish they just had bags of skin with coating on it. Oh, God, I needed you. Oh, boy. Look at that. Look how much delicious chicken there is. I love this stuff. Oh, man, I'm in heaven. But you know what I think I will make today? Something using this roll. So let's split this bad boy open. Chuck a couple of chips on. Ooh, yeah. So there's the double carbs. Right, where's this mashed potato and gravy? Let's triple carb this bad boy up. Mama. Oh, yeah. And put this piece of chicken on there, which I saved from earlier. Oh, yes. There we have it. The triple carb deluxe with protein. Come at me. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, I needed that. Tell you what, this fill-up box ticked all my boxes. So what do you reckon? $4.95 for all these things? Beautiful! And I think it deserves a score out of 10. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for this $4.95 fill-up box, I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. Yeehaw! I love it. In fact, I'm going to come back every day this week and have another one of these. Why would you bother cooking when you can pay $5 and have it cooked for you? Never cooking again! Well, there's a new $4.95 fill-up box. What are you going to do? Whip on down to KFC and grab one? If you don't, well, mate, there's no hope for you. But if you're anything like me, you'll be doing anything to get down to your local KFC and trying these bad boys out, because I'll tell you what, it was awesome! Well, anyway, I'm going to sit here and finish this off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I review something as amazing as this. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the review